You can play with this one like the way how you want to play. So take it as a tech video, take it as a spoken English video, any direction, that's fine. So I want to say something to you. I just wanted to introduce something to you. At the same time, I just wanted to feel that, okay, I'll speak in English. I would like to show you two of my new gadgets, simple gadgets, like very simple basic items. But this is something which is really good for like value for money, something which you can use on daily basis, which is like necessary when you are traveling on the car, when you are doing a vlog, or when you are, and when you are a YouTuber, you need all these kind of stuffs. This is my new tripod, recently bought like yesterday. It's not an unboxing, I already unboxed because see, this is the cover box, everything is done. And the price is 15 dirhams. 15 dirham means like 300 Indian rupees. And I'm not sure in 300 rupees you can get something like this tripod. You can fix, this is for the mobile phones. As you can see, this one you can fix the mobile phone. If you change this one, here you have the option that you can connect the DSLR camera. So you can use this as a DSLR camera. This part you can turn 360 degree, no issue for that one. You can adjust, like you can tie it, make it loose, no issue. Here also you can adjust. And if you want to keep it in a different angle, you have this option for DSLR or for the mobile also. If you want to keep it like differently, some position, you can fix something like this, or if you can fix like this also. Okay, another interesting part, this is really flexible. You can fix in whatever the direction or in which angle you want to keep. You want to hook somewhere like this, you can hook it and you can fix it here. You can adjust like this, you can still hook it like this. See, all this possible. This is awesome. I really like this. Just have a look. I'll show you how to fix this one and on the dashboard. Okay, let's have a look. Guys, look at this. See how you can change the direction, how you can change the angle, how to see. I never see a tripod like this. You can fix on any area. Depends on your requirements. See this. Look at this. Oh my God, this is so beautiful, right? You can adjust the height. You can adjust the angle in any direction how you want to adjust. So guys, this is all about my new tripod, which is like 15 dirham. Actually, normally this is costing like around 35, 40 dirham, which is like 700, 800 or like 900 Indian rupees. Usually it is like that. The one guy who were trying to clear his stocks, he was trying to like clear the stocks from his shop. So I asked him like, can you give me on 15 dirham? He said, okay, fine, take it. Anyway, I have some more stocks to finish it. So I took it on 15 dirham, like 300 Indian rupees. Quite worth, and you can adjust, you can make any direction, you can fix on any angle. You can play with this one like the way how you want to play. So this is really awesome. I like this one, really good, right? Give me your feedback. And the second one which I wanted to show you that is this one. Actually, when I took my new iPhone, I was searching for something to fix on the dashboard, because the items which is coming same like this one you can fix only on the glass. You see, this is only on the glass, you cannot fix anywhere else. But here on the dashboard you need something which you can stick on the dashboard. But this is really strong, guys. Actually, I fixed this one and I just wanted to move it a little bit forward. See, there is a space here. I thought, okay, I'll fix here. I was trying to take it out. No, I cannot. It's really strong. It's too hard to take it out. So I thought, okay, it's fine, let it be there, and we'll use it. See, this is a 360 degree. You can change in any angle. You can keep it like this, fix. Okay, it's open. Now you fix your phone. Wow, this is really good, right? And if you want to keep it up, you can keep it up. This is like this. Really good, right? This is costing around like 1,500 to 2,000 Indian rupees, but still it is worth. I found a lot of items without this without this one. You can fix only on the glass, but this one you can fix anywhere, because this is coming with the glue, plus the same time this is coming with the air, like vacuum, something called vacuum. I don't know what is exactly, but this is working really well. So these are my two items which I wanted to introduce to you guys. And this is my old one. This is also fine, huh? See, look at this. Okay, so give me your feedback about these two products. And this is not from Amazon, so I don't have any link to put it so you guys can buy it. But someone who is in UAE, this one I bought from Emax. Emax is available in any landmark shop, and this one I think it's available in any mobile shop, any normal mobile shop. This is all about my new gadgets. How's everything, guys, right? So take it as a tech video, take it as a spoken English video, any direction, that's fine. So I want to say something to you. I just wanted to introduce something to you. At the same time, I just wanted to feel that, okay, I'll speak in English. So give me your feedback and take care. So bye-bye.